Confirm grad yao mama party ya Sammy Gyamfi akan dollars cash everyone the care mu dollars akan the ama agrada me defending kwasi asem wa how me mete hey $1 mpo me Gyamfi NDC wo on this platform no matter who is involved Mampani Mahama mpo efomu a meka if possible me di natem
Kevin Taylor brother free mind family abetre na adwene FSK Mr. Dollar Mine Sammy Gyamfi edema agrada odema agrada no obetre na adwene ewo ho a woka kire Mahama se Mahama ensake Sammy Gyamfi onyini free party ni mo. They don't need Sammy Gyamfi in the NDC party again. Omunyini free nyesa de a any or no free mind. Obesha said in the platform abo Mahama echi said o de bo MPP echi no. Any said de enso ye no sa na awia be abai de bo echi ne be bo ba. To tire Mahama entime anyi Sammy Gyamfi free de a any Mahama entwe no no mu ba ombe bo n'echi hard one. Ombe bo n'echi hard one ensempa. Free mind Kevin Taylor brother abeke kanda kire Mahama any Sammy Gyamfi na busia anwashi hi Penyah block media mess was any day oba like video no other my subscribe button so click the notification icon for latest updates na ba kire wa adwen da ba me e comment mess oba so na shi bi mo for so enya bi ahye $80 mine Sammy Gyamfi ni sika do ma agrada na unzo oba pa ho achew na chop o kire mo say oh boni bi anim ko no ya yemi ni yeah because of his kind gesture anymore yeah this adiwe just generosity Ada say ayimuye mobruhu adoye ahye ne ma edwa da fruma na botire say anya adoye ma oni bie o chemse agrada yi oni bie nti boni bie ni so be ya adoye obe humobro ama oni bie boni bie ni e for sense mo ga kan no NDC ni ma NDC for blogger ba call ye Kevin Taylor the best friends or Kevin Taylor na airport defense eyi NDC party we wadwa lie free mind family was say Mahama entiman saki Sammy Gyamfi a ene Mahama entwen no mo ba ombe bona chi ombe fire Mahama papa no don for the platform defending kwasi asemoda.
All right video be trending on social media for the past 24 hours now. It's about Sammy Gyamfi all kind dollars physical cash dollars Ediagu agrada ansem okonfo agrada yao mama party ya Sammy Gyamfi akan dollars cash everyone the care mu dollars akan ediama agrada live on camera live in broad daylight area kete Sammy Gyamfi akan dollars ediama konfo agrada ye home video
Ona budi ni na mama anaye. Family na mama ina mama. Honorable.
Honorable.
$2 I was Sammy Gyamfi. Yes. Who say woman? Monday. Mommy, our house.
Area video way and are trendy here for the past 24 hours. Asemo. Anyway, my mention say me mates now social media a campaign the boy NDC. And there are so many other social media TikTokers, Empo Ghanaians on the grounds. Ebi Konzulezu, Afram Plains, Efrokodo, Efansoso, no life jacket. Risk your life to make sure say NDC man penny John Mahama enya to me. Me tie obi enya bi dia me ntimi confirm me tie hey $1 mpo me Gyamfi NDC wo. Common me da sekra. Say yeda wasese and I say yeda masese we are campaign the boy officially yen san can be free NDC penny for na say Sammy Gyamfi enya dollars kind of ma agrada ojina ne asori ma enim eba social media edi mampani Mahama atem twabo NDC campaign tia NDC and Sammy Gyamfi enya dollars kind of ma agrada in broad daylight na se mi aminya $1 mpo etwe camera ebetina ha e defend dia o trade am kwa am enkumentwene na se menya no kwafo say in the days of NPP abna pa ye kwache ne say wa kra more than $2 million egu ne mpase na se me ka ho asem edi na tem na se ade we besi na se me matwe camera abetina social media e defend dia o trade am kwa am enkumentwene me defending kwasi asem wa how on this platform no matter who is involved mampani Mahama mpo efomu a meka if possible me di na tem me defending boasem. I am here for justice. No cry aye ba ko pe. Na sabi me de me ya boa me boa. Me de ha buy the tua rent. Microphone me de ka say me de sabi e champon ha buy the toy me boa. Me lighting system am use me de e champon ha buy the toy me boa. Me de nkruma the toy. Man feska. Iti ye de ye hieska na emom agrada na oye campaign ti amudi Mahama tem di watem what kind dollars egu nsem Sammy Gyamfi wo ya boa Sammy Gyamfi wo ya me wa Jimmy papa na asem we e ma Ghana for real fit da NPP never ever forget say NDC nya to me for the first 4 months Sammy Gyamfi e the dollars egu bag mu sika mu e na onam na o check kwasia. You think you play the fool? And someone will come and sit here, absorb your rubbish, defend your nonsense. No way, NC. Medical culture will say, Ebi nsi da. Obi abeya anya me nkwa de me defend them wasep. Because when NPP ebetimi aka say Sammy Gyamfi ekura bag full of dollars in the city kemu. And I all check on. And if they say that are their rights, NPP ekanisa I will support them. Edetia orali kamu ena eyi dollars ekande share agrada nsem kwasia. Uni mnyansa Tobe Jimmy Tabelu why Jimmy Sammy Gyamfi why Jimmy straight up. Yeah, in so force wa time wa namu hia to me ye hu da sa o kai dollars and then they to me aba. We are chairman or CEO for gold board unti when your dollars kind of go obi nsem na Ghana for gold no obra odi bonye Sammy Gyamfi Ghana for gold no obra odi bonye asa ene ma wu ha muntie ha se na mo se mo ko ne dia ene 2028 you are dead. Yeah, ni am fire so the course no you meet us again in 2028 God willing. Se me tiasia ye be say shia. Don't worry. Ye dey see Jimmy ye hieska anti ye tam dia ma agrada 2028 you meet us again. Ye tia ye hwemo. Me say ye kuse ye trimu ne wo. E kan okra kire mu nyina. Na bibia mpo nya me he obi nka sabi obi ntodan ma obi me say common enase mpo enase enya bi mfiri NDC ho. Na wanya sika no mpo na nka ode ma NDC ni amenka enya me ya ode ma hwan agrada na me de sabi menka say me num nsuo na eda me ni aduane me boa me de ahan na etua me rent me boa kwasiafo wanya dollars e kan because ene oda gold and no gold board and no enya dollars e kan masha se ni ese na mo sha se se mampani John Mahama ampam Sammy Gyamfi enfri sa gold board na obegu mani mu ase me mfansie mo me I'm not here to pamper anybody's ego. I'm not here to nurture anybody's feelings. Se me say se mampani John Mahama ampam Sammy Gyamfi enfri gold board da obegu mani mu ase. Believe you me, and this is the painful fact. TikTokers grassroots for a year campaign de boa NDC sorting ben about sorting womo. And what ben amodi agwa womo. edi afasode na sankofo no directly enya edi a free NDC ho na se wunya dollars e kan de ma agrada oba fun wei edi Mahama tem twabo mu a wo kwasia with no apology. Enye when you the kind of NDC ayepe. Believe you me, when you the kind of empanifo ayepe, where you rubbish. Kasi asemkwa na Ghana yedi dollar. Empo se when you sika. Na se wo che agrada, it should be in Ghana cedis and not dollars. Over dollarization and no ka ho bi na ama ye cedi 8 nyina no. Mobile Muhammad said the cedi will come down. Now so matam dollars egu ka mu na mo cheko. Na cedi bad day akami down. Cedi bad day aye stable. Cedi bad day ejina with Jimmy. They say you are digging your own grave. If you begin to behave this way, gradually no, you will be digging your own graves. Now me say me eba me fa me honye. Gomunhia obi aka. Thank you Krampo no obi anyan. Ti me pa na me ye. Ai me kan pain. Me pa na me ye. Enti eba emma wadwe nya o say me chairman. Me de me ho beje. Abe that job e pleasure. Me pleasure dam da. Me nya nkwase adwuma da. No kra na me ka. Saa de we ya Sammy Gyamfi ye nkwase ade. E o say mampani John Mahama Emma ode ni di breto ho. Because NPP mreso na esi yanke ebeka. Etimo mreso nso esi ayenka. Esa amemwo na yebu sa de tie. NPP mreso na sa asem esi ya wo Sammy Gyamfi nka kanka obeka eje binie. Ka NDC bloggers kanka yen ye beka nka eje binie. Iti esi under your watching so a ema obi anka na ntum yenka ho asem. Na yen chere Ghana for say this is rubbish and nonsense. Na yetie semu a wasanso atro ha. And these are the words of Sammy Gyamfi. Or say Sammy Gyamfi on Facebook or say, folks, I have taken notice of the wave of criticisms against my person in the last 24 hours. To clarify, this was simply a kind gesture to a fellow human being because siyauni gesture. What kind of dollars almost bear your horse kind gesture? Now dollars no unya free hefa. Ghana $40. Ghana $40 na say una mana dollars go bottom. It is Sammy Gyamfi o ka ho bi e na see the 8 nyina no. Me can pay actually me can play. Me can pay. Say I say the kind gesture to a fellow human being in line with my daily and lifelong custom of lending a helping hand to people in need. I grab that. Hey, these guys are testing my temper. I grab that is in need. Some more say we are Sammy Gyamfi action we dig Ghana for nyina tem. We end this near we do what them. We end this near we campaign de boa mampani Mahama we do what them. We NPP ni so we do what them. Tiena otro ha. Say people in need. I grab that is in need. Obi a wa sorry. Wazan for over the years I want it done what the cars. I grab that is in need. So what kind dollar and the amount I grab that in need. Now you a year campaign to TikTok, social media on the grounds. Taking the risk. Now you huru omo, now you di omo atem mobile ye sika ben emwa ben capital ben. And I'm de abua sanko for oya boa. Sammy Gyamfi oya boa. You are coming on social media to cause more harm. Video ne trendy agama foka ho asem no enso hwa you are again coming on social media to cause more harm by writing rubbish and nonsense. Mewa. Or say people in need. I sincerely thought that I was doing the act of kindness in private. Where hey Sammy Gyamfi minim se what Jimmy say private and never imagined that same could find its way into the public space. That is unfortunate and regrettable. I must say that I understand the uproar that this gesture has generated, particularly from comrades who are sincerely hurt by same. To all such comrades, I am sincerely sorry for this unfortunate act of indiscretion. I respect and appreciate your views. My profound appreciation goes to all those who have reached out to counsel and encourage me. I'm most grateful for your solidarity. Let me state, however, that my view of public office as a privilege to serve society, solve problems, and help others has not changed. I remain focused on the task entrusted to me by His Excellency, the President, for the development of our country. Stay blessed and have a blissful Sunday. Happy Mother's Day to Uncle Siasem. Sammy Gyamfi, you have written arrant nonsense. They say you can never ever dirty yourself and expect someone like me to come and take your dirtiness. I am a man of integrity. I am a sincere man who call a spade and not a big spoon. Tiabana, yedebo NPP no. You befa the same abana dia promo. About Ghana. Ghana and I say be biampu nyame me say sika no mpo. O de ma NDC ni anka enya me ya. Say agrada. Ensem ben and agrada anka fa NDC ho atenye ben and agrada ND Mampeni Mahama. Atenye ben. Then the one dollars egu ka mu. Police for the wachi. Charlie power sweet o, power sweet. Power sweet. Aye. And that the mu wa ben mu power sweet. Ti wo da ka kese mu. Police for the wachi. And dollars bandos just a dollar no ya to bu ka num say ya wa trap it bu ka num. And make it rain, make it rain, make it rain, bang bang, make it rain, make it rain. You are making it rain. Dollars. Let's see you dollar. Yes, sorry, and Ghana over dollarization is killing our economy. Now, so Sammy Gyamfi nam dollars gonna care when our checko. Yamin chiawka. Sammy Gyamfi, abuna pa issue no. So can one sem na say and they also about the same brana. Yamin chiawka. Kwa siato nyame. Ochedi abakwa min chiawka. Who can say Jimmy wrong? Mo can say Jimmy me say. Yedi eni ya son edi mochi ye monitamo. Yeti Ghana ha. Ahani yati obi me nyan wuyo. Chedi ampo Allah. Chedi ampo ami we. Me nyan wuye. Medi more than 80 years me nyan wuye. Me mre so ami hu. Me mre so ye. Me ti social media. Me defending self da empire me. Ka chedi ampo ami nkumi free o. Se obi a sabi ye ntwa me ka. $1 mpu mi nyae na asie mpu nipa nyae na me battery camera abetina ha e defending self bi say na me Jimmy because me dream for me true mu nyesa me dream for me true mu e self bi say mu twa me campo me defending. Believe you me, I am being honest and sincere. Me mfa me nsam nsie ahye because this is rubbish. Na yentie you can say damage control bi nso a agrada ade aba. Damage control. Who say ade no apaska no. Agrada edimrika play damage control. Muntie no.
Sammy Gyamfi. Video and a mama parts and a me kunu and encrofo BJ and chain video called viral pa and I want to me person me kasa efa video no. On the Ghana phone, sometimes I know me any baby. I won't do one why I now won't see us. Say Obi will say Obi any Obi Jina baby, and also Obi no Obi Kasa, and now Obi no Obi ye bibia. Almost fan different perception and what's na me wa. Now the entire me wa before some ebo video no the entire me wa no. Obi anim say me Sammy Gyamfi number 1 onye madamfo. Number 2 minshia no da. Number 3 menini di nkomoda. Number 4 menini number. Ne level baby owo no ene me level me wo form or so. Na de tie nie ene me call baby very special place ene me call e. Na bra me free program na say me ba. Ene me do baby pera me hu say class bi to so me too many ana me hu ye nua be ma Sammy Gyamfi. Se me hu ye nua be ma Sammy Gyamfi pe na me ka che me so da hani ba nyina na ma hu onabo Sammy Gyamfi and us now there wo obi a wakwaye politics ama MPP fo ye nua be ma Sammy Gyamfi mu NDC ni ade na wo se nyina na me kun gina ena me see for me akasa bola avono so me akasa na me see from to me see from so lucky na ye nua be ma Sammy Gyamfi so asi from a woni nkofo bi edi nkomo eti me na me nante ye na me call ne nche eti me call ne nche no and me bo me din me cry in fact to be honest with you nyame nim de oye de bia because said na me hwenia me di ye NDC fo eniama ye beto aba ensemu a me kekan ye eniama me ye na me hia ye nua be ma Sammy Gyamfi no wo ne me feel kwa so be pam me oh the body guys omudi na chikwa be pia me say ma me ko but onya botre na me chia no te be chia ni wie no sha se o tu me fo abusuamu tie ni ye ti asem ni ye. Don't twist anything, and I said don't be offended because video no I said grophobia will say ye no be ma Sammy Gyamfi ama mama part dollars be ekita nensem and uti na me wo ha. I am here to explain the reason why in tia o yi size can share me sa I got for me agrada me timu ya sika we enye sika what you say sika we enye sika bia but say it's been your be ma na me ben no Momo lava no so. Me be me nua be ma no. Na no chance no say, "Oh, mommy, we a nice woman." Na say ne wo ye fe ne say ne wutie yi. Ene say ne ya me hu social media we ni so hye, wo didi atem, wo kuntokwa, ene ade no. Chaso, jai santokwa no. Na wo ye fe dodo. E che sa ne ma na wo ye wo social media so. Na sa akra na wo ye ya wo di bi ba e me papa oluman so. What I say, would it be by me papa or my JM so? Na dear pa, na JM dear you untia. Utimi at this hour near my we ye by JM so. And I'm so brass Sammy Gyamfi. JM as some normal kind, and you no pray. And you preaching, and I be preaching ye. And a bloggers, a good try ye. And almost de quiet de say, as a me JM at some. Now look crano. Mon penny phone back frame me. Emma me be video e correct ye say meet me the DJ man sem because obi anu say JM or da makoma so pa me penasem pa na NDC e da makoma so eti abra me kan say NDC e da makoma so e na obi say am say ye nua be ma ona bo Sammy Gyamfi e na obi say am say na say NDC da wakoma so a e ba na say ni ye to aba utimi betina ase ebe ye dede e ma ba wo mea ebe ye ba wo mea wini wo na wo ka kire me se NDC da wakoma so e na me se me ka kire me se Sammy onabo ade ba ku eye me ja e wo makoma mo abusia bola wárns ade ba ku ye me ja e wo makoma mo na ade na ye me ja wo makoma mo ne se me do NDC papa me we NDC mu fiti me kola budem
let me not waste your time. My share the full video. Ni agrada na besa o cheni na ne say Sammy Gyamfi dollars na or the man no was a kind gesture. Na say bi no agrada sa dollars no crowd no enye ska bia ma no. Na a kind gesture bi keke na Sammy Gyamfi ase gift bi keke na Sammy Gyamfi de man no. Ni a o pa change na no. Wo wa ban ba after 8 years bra ma bre enen tra Ghana for NPP men kase Ghana for kra NPP for chato moso. It took people to say Kevin Taylor any year no bin so aye boaye me me ho free mu ena ema musaka any Ghana for binum titru enya yempo Ghana for on the grounds omo a call Ghana for Ghana for na ba bia ye campaign de boa mo enam so nti na ne bonya to me 4 months pe what say check dollar 4 months pe o check dollars na any say obi so ka say any making wa pack dollars no go trunk mu ana say chobos man say won pass it and I watch ne kakra de church manfo a nobody would doubt tie na tia we say obi gina so kire say Sammy Gyamfi so packing dollars no go name pass na watch ne kakra de magana fo a nobody would doubt because say we na to me na say 4 months pe we shall say dollars there any chale to me the power African leadership be sweet. Yeah. To be an African leader, it be sweet. We are making obi be defending obi ja identity or NDC more than Ghana and more. This is where you are making will be a da on Pempoitier, Sammy Gyamfi dear born in wire, and yes, idea. I've been a pound so dear born in wire, so $5 a share in passing. Yenini. Yes, you have a Ghana ni dear. Let us, of course, Obi our party our door and so as same see young cano the way sit here. We some yes a minute now. I try say me defend Sammy Gyamfi. I would rather anger the people the more because Ghana for you means how. You think Ghanaians are stupid? Say we make camera and come and say defend Sammy Gyamfi. You go block Ghana for crowd the more. It's better you tell the people say, hey, we kwa the NKye, we the NDC and ye, Sammy Gyamfi and ye, straight up. And now so Emma Ghana for boom fu and Ghana for bufu because Ghana for nya moa. Me say you ta a dim what cheer campaign boa musika sen and as for nenya. E be da ho tifie eni adwuma ye tiem when $1 dey mark osiabawi. Ah no tina social media e di matem di Mahama tem e kasati Mahama tese mo de ho. Omo a eboa mo no e pempi enya so fa so bia de mbom omo a etan NDC di matem e na bibia mani kusa nkofo no. Akwese musiesie Ghana asante manya ento aba ema NDC no abribia they are the ones you are keen and asante breja asante marketer asante bibia asante omo a eto aba de ma NDC nyahwe. Now mo sa suba we mo anya ya you leave office very early in the morning 2028. Believe you me. Se mo anya sa Jimmy we ya 2028 early morning you leave office. Believe you me. Share because the person so and fonso 42 years now Ayɛka. Should NDC go the way Penyah Mahama is going, then fine. And there no be money or no money. Yebe kasa because Ghana who don't tea and Ayɛka. Money or no money. Se Mahama ni ya. Yebe koso akasa chere Ghana for say. Se mo koso di 2 million Mahama inside the bebu na say NDC inside the bebu na emom. Se mo ko le sanya Sammy Gyamfi ko ni dia. Masa na den. Asa NDC will go. Ghana will remain. NDC beto Ghana. NDC beto Ghana. Ti munya Jimmy no. Brabonti pa Ghana facho ye na sansem fuya we rubbish kra na trotro no. Sammy Gyamfi we rubbish kra. Brabonti pa Ghana facho ye say Ghanaians I'm sorry. Naka ensesa me ye ma Jimmy from so 2 years. Mo fancha me bunko to pa Ghana facho kwasiato. And I must say kind gesture to somebody in need. Abua agrada we ye needy. Agrada ye needy. Kwasiasemo kwa. Rubbish and nonsense around rubbish. Kwasiasem agrada ye needy. We are rascals. We are treacherous. You people, you are treacherous. Rubbish. Asa, we shall know so. Where I distance myself. I distance myself and my platform. Sammy Gyamfi saje we yawa ye. I distance myself 100 automatically. Menka ho. Eti ni amo pesa modi NDC bia monye. Ni amo pesa modi Sammy Gyamfi bia demo mpo monye demo no I'll support you. Say demo crampo na mo pesa mo ye di tia Sammy Gyamfi say Mahama mpam na I'll support you monye. Kasiasem. Ye go down sorry I say Sammy Gyamfi $10. Enye cedi mpo dollar. Baby, makram.
Try your mama, comment section. How you Penyah Block Media.